The faculty of ICRA is very supportive and experienced. They provide best quality of education. They all came from Delhi. Like for polity, Sanjay Singh sir. For economy, S.K. Jha sir. For geography, we had Rabbani sir. And for history, there is Awadhoja sir. They all very expertise in their own field. They taught us how to, what should be our approach towards UPSC examination.
I have been enrolled in ICRA IS since from last year, July month, and I want to share my experience how this journey was with ICRA IS and me. Although I thought it was going to be very difficult and a complex situations for me, as I don't know anything about the civil services, but then when I started my course, it was an unimaginable journey for me and transformative too. The faculties were very interactive and were the expertise of their own field.
Something is special about ICRA Academy is that all Delhi faculty is here in Pune. जैसे कि ज्योग्राफी के लिए जी रब्बानी सर, उन्होंने हमें ज्योग्राफी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ाया है. मुझे बहुत दिक्कत होती थी ज्योग्राफी में, पर रब्बानी सर ने कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी दी है हमें. Then economics के लिए जहा सर, he is very brilliant and he improves our conceptual clarity. Then ethics के लिए अभिमन्यु सर, उन्होंने भी हमें बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ाया. हिस्ट्री के लिए अवधोजा सर और सोहेल तुर्की सर.
Hello, my name is Mahesh Bharti. I am from औरंगाबाद और मैं पुणे की ICRA IS जुलाई की GS बेस्ट का स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ. और पुणे में ICRA IS ने कम फीस में सभी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड की है जो कि दिल्ली से आई हुई फैकल्टीज़ थी, जैसे कि ओझा सर, SK झा सर, रब्बानी सर, और स्पेशली एथिक्स की जो सर थे उन्होंने, अभिमन्यु सर, उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से हमें मोटिवेट किया. और आंसर राइटिंग सेशंस भी उन्होंने अच्छी तरह से लिए जो कि एस्से के लिए अच्छे थे, जो कि कंटेंट ज़रूरी होता है, जो ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग ज़रूरी होता है, उसमें हमें बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा है.
In a reasonable price, they provide us best quality of education. My journey in ICRA is very good. The staff and management is very friendly and supportive. I think they are very best in their field.
And I enrolled in GS pre-cum mains batch 22-23. Our batch started in July, and from July till December we had rigorous preparation for mains, and after December our approach shift to prelims. And in both pre and mains we were guided by our mentors like Irshad sir and Suman Kamble sir, and they provided us the correct approach we needed.
ICRA का मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे अभिजीत सर, कांबळे सर और खान सर, इन्होंने राइट डायरेक्शन, राइट अप्रोच दिया यूपीएससी के लिए. ICRA का काफ़ी सिलेबस ख़त्म हो चुका है. अब मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्या पढ़ना है, यूपीएससी की क्या डिमांड से मुझे आंसर कैसे लिखने हैं, कैसे उनको फेस करना है, कैसे टैकल करना है. अब मुझे पता है. ICRA ने मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है.
Variety of courses that ICRA has offered is such been a remarkable thing, and the journey was very smooth, and the syllabus has been completed all over in the mentioned time, and it has been running smoothly. And the CSAT, the CSAT course was also good by the Bhushan Dut sir, exclusively the comprehension part which he taught, and all the faculties were the most expertise and the most experience in their own respective fields. And the more I say, the less it is about the ICRA IS. The management team was also good. Sharmili ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, and Yojana ma'am, both were very cooperative and they helped us a lot.